Hi children, good morning. Take your workbook children. Now we are going to see second lesson, water for everyone. See, I will read, you have to listen, okay? Take a workbook and listen. While watching video, take a workbook and listen children. Water for everyone, okay? Bunty, a 6-year-old boy, lives near the forest. What is the name of the boy? Bunty. His name is Bunty. How many years old? 6 years. How many years? 6 years. So he lives near the forest. Bunty. B-U-N-T-Y. Bunty. A 6-year-old boy lives near the forest. Bunty, name of the person. So they have written B in capital letter. Okay, Bunty. Yes, how many years? 6-year-old boy. He lives near the forest. It is summer. All the streams and ponds are dry. How do you feel? Summer season, how do you feel? Very hot? No, that time water level very less in that river, ponds and all. Did you see? Very dry also. See, streams, a small river. Okay, streams and ponds are dry. One hot day, a thirsty deer comes out of the forest near Bunty's house. See, what is the meaning of thirsty? Need to drink, feeling a need to drink. Okay, so in the summer season, all the streams and ponds are dry. On hot day, one thirsty deer comes out of the forest near Bunty's house. Where is Bunty's house? Near the forest. So, thirsty deer comes out of the forest near Bunty's house. Bunty's mother is in the kitchen. She is cooking lunch. Bunty runs into the kitchen, fills some water in a bowl and runs out. So, Bunty is playing outside. He saw a thirsty deer and he went to the kitchen and he fills some water in a bowl and runs out. So Bunty's mother is she is in kitchen. She is cooking lunch. Bunty runs into the kitchen and fills some water in a bowl and runs out. Okay. Stop Bunty, stop. Don't waste water, cries his mother. So she doesn't know. So she called Bunty. Stop Bunty, you should not waste water. She yelled. She called Bunty. But Bunty is gone. But he didn't hear anything. He went. His mother stands at the gate of the house to see what Bunty is doing. So his mother stands near the gate and watching what Bunty is doing. Bunty walks towards the forest with the bowl of water. He places the bowl of water on the ground for thirsty deer to drink. See, Bunty walks towards the forest and he places a bowl of water on the ground for the thirsty deer. Okay. What is the name of the boy? Bunty. 6-year-old boy. Okay. They lived near the forest. It's a summer season. Ponds and small rivers are dry. So the thirsty deer comes out of the forest near Bunty's house. Bunty saw this and he went and he filled some water in bowl and ran out. Okay, so Bunty's mother is in the kitchen. She is cooking lunch. She called Bunty but he didn't hear. He went out. So Bunty's mother watched what he is doing. Okay, what he is doing. Yeah, Bunty went out and he kept the bowl of water on the ground for the thirsty deer to drink. Bunty comes back. His mother is very happy. She says, "Good job, Bunty. It is good to be kind and to be always share." So she appreciated Bunty because he helped thirsty deer, isn't it? So she was very happy and she appreciated Bunty. It's a very good thing. It is very good to be kind and always share with others. Okay. From that day, Bunty's mother always keep a bowl of water near the gate. every day they watch new birds and animals drinking the water. So every day her mother keeps a bowl of water near the gate. So every day they watch new birds and animals drinking the water. Summer season, no, ponds and the streams are rivers are dry. So we have to help, we have to share. It's a very good thing. You to follow children. You have to take one bowl and fill some water and keep it outside. Okay. Some birds, they will come and drink. No. So Bunty's mother's also, she keeps a bowl of water near the gate. Okay. So children, you should be kind and you should be share whatever you have with others. You should be kind with animals also. Okay children, like Bunty. I hope that all of you understood the story. See that. Read each question and tick the correct answer. What has happened to the streams and ponds? They have lots of water. They are dry. They are dirty. What happened? Yeah, tick that. They are dry because summer season. So ponds and rivers are dry. Tick. Yeah, next one. Who comes out of the forest near Bunty's house? A man, a goat, a deer. Yeah, good. A deer. Tick that correct option. Where is Bunty's mother? In the kitchen, in the garden, in the bedroom. Garden. No. Yeah, good. Kitchen. She is cooking lunch. No. Yeah. Tick that. What is Bunty's mother doing? Eating, reading, cooking. Yeah, she is cooking. Tick that. What does Bunty do, Father Deer? He gives it some food. He gives it some water. He gives it a piece of chocolate. Yeah, second one, he gives it some water because deer was thirsty. He needs to drink. So he gives it some water. See, choose a word that completes each sentence. Mother, 6, water, cooking. This is your homework, children. You have to read the sentence and you have to choose a correct word to complete each sentence. Okay. Bunty is dash years old. Bunty's mother is dash in the kitchen. Stop, don't waste water, cries Bunty's dash. Bunty places a bowl of dash on the ground. I hope that all of you know the answer. So you have to complete this. Okay. See, you have activity. You can help animals to keep a bowl of water in your lawn or balcony for thirsty birds and garden animals. Watch them from far and write their names. So you have to keep a bowl in your balcony or lawn. You have to keep a bowl and fill some water and watch every day. Is any birds come and drink that? Okay, you have to watch that and write if they come like this, you have to write their names. This is your activity, children. Thank you.